My name is Aleeza Nadeem, and now me and my mother are back with a new video of the exercise. So today in this video I will try some new exercises and new self-defense technique. So first we will start with the first exercise. In this you have to make punch and stretch both of your hands and open a little bit of your leg like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so now we're done with the first exercise, so now we'll move towards the self-defense technique. So the self-defense technique is if somebody has grabbed you with a collar, like this part. So in this, what you have to do, you have to bring your left hand like this, and you have to overlap like this. You have to not leave, you have to leave happening. Okay, so with this way he will become and she will become disbalanced and he will be fall down. Okay, now I will continue with the further exercises. So now we'll do the second self-defense technique. It's if somebody has gripped both of the hands in the shoulder, so what you have to do. Because at this point a person don't know that you are gonna do the self-defense technique, because he will hold you very lightly. So in this position you have to bring both of your hands inside and you have to, the pressure you have to push both of his hands and this way his hand, both of your hands will get rid of. Because he don't know or she don't know that we're gonna do this in response. He think that I've grabbed and nothing will happen, but he don't know that what will happen next. Okay, so now we'll continue with further exercises. So as we're done with the first exercise and second self-defense technique, so now we'll move towards the third exercise. And this is what you have to do in a running motion. In a motion you have to, in a motion what you have to do, you have to run over there and you have to touch the floor like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to, this way the stamina will be increased. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So now we have done with the third exercise, so now we move towards the fourth exercise. In the fourth exercise what you have to do, you have to jump. First you have to jump on the toes and after you have to go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again jump and go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. This way you will become fast and you will get stamina in yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or you can do one more thing also, like you have to jump and go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now you have to breathe. So now we'll be moving towards the fifth exercise. So in the fifth exercise, what you have to do, you have to bring that leg like this. Change. Stretch. This is stretching exercise. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In the same position, you have to bring your leg down, straighten your knees, and get up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In up, and in this position, in up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you have to straighten your front leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have to change our leg. Again you have to get up and you have to do like this. Okay, so as we're done with the sixth exercise also, so now we're moving towards the seventh exercise. So now we're moving towards the last exercise. In this, first you have to make a sit and make a butterfly portion like this. You have to make like this, and you have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First we have to make a butterfly portion, and then you have to go down and try to touch both of your knees to the floor and try to press them like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and get up. So in today's video we have done some I think 6 exercises and 2 self-defense technique, and I hope that you guys love all over the video, and make sure to watch all my previous videos also, and give them and this video also maximum amount of likes also, and thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you guys will practice these exercises at home. Allah Hafiz.